Fenugreek is native to Central and South Asia, predominantly India. It is one of the oldest staple remedial plants with a myriad of benefits. Nowadays, it is also grown throughout the US, North Africa, and the Mediterranean regions. A lot of research has been done on the goodness of fenugreek and how it can positively impact human health. Let's discuss now what is fenugreek seeds and how does it works. Fenugreek is an annual herb that belongs to the Fabaceae family, the same family as soy. The fresh and dried seeds of this plant have been used as a spice and flavoring agent for ages. India accounts for its major production throughout the world, with 80% output coming directly from Rajasthan. Fenugreek helps stabilize blood sugar levels and stimulates the production of insulin. Hence, it is very effective for people dealing with diabetes. This is just one of the best ways fenugreek can benefit you. There are more benefits that we will discuss in the next section. Let's start. What are the health benefits of fenugreek? 1. Fenugreek boosts testosterone. Fenugreek can boost testosterone levels. The hormone plays a vital role in many bodily functions in males. A study conducted on 100 male participants between the ages of 35 to 65 years showed an increase in serum testosterone levels and the sperm count. The participants were made to add a fenugreek supplement to their diets for 12 weeks to tackle testosterone deficiency. 2. Is beneficial during breastfeeding. A study was conducted on 122 participants to review the systematic galactagogue effect of fenugreek. The study compared the result of fenugreek with another galactagogue and a placebo. It was found that ingesting fenugreek could increase breast milk production in lactating women. 3. Promotes hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are packed with various nutrients that promote hair growth. Even its leaves help in this regard. Research suggests applying the paste made from the leaves to the scalp promotes hair growth and preserves the natural hair color. A study conducted on men and women between 30 and 67 years of age showed a positive effect on their hair health. About 83% of the volunteers reported an improvement in hair volume and hair thickness, post-treatment with fenugreek. 4. Can aid weight loss. Early research shows that 500 mg of fenugreek supplement can decrease body fat. Another study conducted on 4 groups of mice showed a significant decrease in body weight following ingestion of fenugreek over 22 days. Fenugreek also contains fiber that promotes a feeling of fullness and keeps people from overeating. In a study, participants who drank fenugreek tea felt less hungry compared to the other group that didn't. 5. Aids diabetes treatment. The fiber in fenugreek forms a thick and sticky gel in the intestine, which makes it harder to digest excess sugars and bad fats. A study was conducted on 2 groups of people with type 2 diabetes. The group that consumed fenugreek powder twice a day saw a significant improvement in their diabetes symptoms. 6. Can treat dandruff. Fenugreek can also be used as a conditioner, thanks to its high mucilage content. The plant has been used since the ancient times to treat a flaky scalp. The powder of the seeds can also be blended with a hair mask or a conditioner to accentuate its benefits and naturally soften hair. Fenugreek also makes for a relatively inexpensive treatment for dandruff. The seeds and the leaves can be used for this purpose, both externally and internally, as they have antibacterial and antifungal properties. 7. May treat acne. Fenugreek works within the digestive system to eliminate all the toxins from the body. The leaves of fenugreek can work wonders for acne. Research shows that applying the paste of the leaves to acne can prevent fresh outbreaks. You can apply the paste in the night and wash it off the following morning with warm water. Fenugreek also contains salicylic acid that unclogs pores. 8. Improves skin health. Fenugreek is a wonderful and harmless alternative to all the contemporary creams that usually contain petroleum products and other chemicals. Fenugreek has natural oils that help in hydrating, moisturizing, and softening skin. The potassium, carotene, and vitamin C in the seeds boost skin elasticity and overall health. 9. Helps relieve symptoms of PCOS. In a study, women with hyperandrogenism, menstrual disturbances, and infertility were given fenugreek capsules. The participants saw a major improvement in their symptoms within 2 months. The participants had also reported no side effects from the fenugreek capsules. Their ovaries reverted to normal health, and their period cycles were restored. 10. Can relieve constipation. Fenugreek improves digestion and prevents stomach disorders. The seeds are rich in mucilage and help prevent constipation by softening the mucous membranes and improving their composition. The seeds also resist excess mucus production at the same time. Fenugreek is a bulk-forming laxative, thanks to its high fiber and mucilage content. The seeds expand after coming in contact with water. This triggers a reflex muscular contraction as the volume increases, thereby stimulating bowel movement. 11. Treats heartburn. In a study, fenugreek products were found to reduce the severity of heartburn. Fenugreek had worked similar to an OTC antacid medication. Fenugreek also soothes gastrointestinal inflammation by forming a shield over the intestinal lining. 12. Lowers cholesterol. Fenugreek seeds lower total cholesterol and LDL, the bad cholesterol. They are rich sources of steroidal saponins that intercept the absorption of cholesterol and triglycerides. This way, the seeds discourage the production of cholesterol in the liver. One human double-blind trial demonstrated that fenugreek, in addition to lowering total cholesterol levels, also stimulated the production of good cholesterol. 13. Fight inflammation. The linolenic and linoleic acids in fenugreek seeds offer protection from inflammation. In addition, the ethanol, mucilage, and flavonoids extracted from fenugreek seeds also contribute to their anti-inflammatory properties. 14. Reduce aluminum toxicity. In a study, whole fenugreek seed powder could reduce aluminum toxicity by offering protection to the brain, bones, and kidneys. Another study showed that fenugreek could also reduce memory loss. Fenugreek powder can be used for animals as well as a detoxifying supplement that reduces the harmful effects of aluminum toxicity. These are the many ways fenugreek seeds can improve your health. But how do you consume them? Is there a specific method to follow? Let's discuss it now. How to consume fenugreek seeds to get the maximum benefit. First, soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. You can then ground them or use them as they are. Alternately, you can also buy the vacuum-packed paste in departmental stores. The seeds can be eaten on an empty stomach. You can also infuse the powder in water, use it as a seasoning, a supplement, or even apply to the affected area.